Hey guys, what's up? I'm back with another video, and today I'll be showing you something different, something else which I haven't done any time before on this channel. I have made something new. Well, actually it's not really new. Paper Patriot has been doing it for several years now, but I have made it on my own. Yes, it's right, it's an action figure and it's completely made out of paper. So I always had this fascination for action figures, and well, I always couldn't buy them. So I tried making one instead, and this one was very flimsy. He could not stand on with himself, so I had to make a stand for him. But it still wasn't that good. So I started off again, but this time I used some better paper, not butter paper. I used some drawing paper which would be a bit thicker, and this turned out to be much better than the previous one. So one thing about this action figure is that if you mess up with one of the parts, you can easily switch them out. See, even the hands, like you can do a lot of options here which you cannot do with action figures you buy. Also, those are very expensive. Yep. So this action figure has many points of articulation. The head, it can look up and it can look down. Oops. So the shoulders can go out this far. The hands can completely rotate. They can bend at the elbow, and the wrist can turn side to side. He can bend forward and bend back. He can kick that far, and also he has a bend at his knee, and he also has two joints at his feet so that he can have ankle pivot. I hope you like this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. See you next time. Bye.